The very first hike of the entire Yosemite trip. And we went all the way to the bottom of the waterfall. And there's a double rainbow. We literally found the end of the rainbow.
Wait, it's a circle!
It's a halo. There it is. It's on you. The rainbow is on you. Holy crap. That's so cool. Lower Yosemite Falls. And then Half Dome.
What a beautiful view!
Wow. It's like you can't capture this in video. Getting that current. Supposedly the most famous view in the world. El Cap, Half Dome, Cathedral. Vernal Falls. It's called Mist Trail for a reason.
Oh my god!
I know it's freezing, but it's amazing. Can't get any closer.
Are you stepping them? Oh, you're scoring them.
Yeah.
They don't do anything. There you go.
It's impossible not to smile here.